Hello everyone, this is Curtis at home in the kitchen cooking. Hey, I want to share with y'all some catfish fillets. What it is I got this U.S. farm-raised catfish fillets at Walmart, and so I was just sharing the bag with y'all here. What I'm gonna do is, well, as you see in the video, I'm gonna open this bag up and get some of this here catfish out to cook. Um, my first time trying this catfish, so I said, well, when I got into the mix and I was in the kitchen, I thought about it. I said, well, let me grab the camera and record this of what I'm doing. And so I'm trying to share what I'm doing here with this catfish. And I'm putting some season mix on it, coating. I got a big container there for frying, deep frying the fish. As you can see right there, some of that fish fry, and I put it off into one of my little, you know, bowls there, well, sauce pan, whatever, and I'm trying to just put a breading on it, that catfish. So, I'd taken the fish, rinsed it off real good, and then I said, well, let me move over here and put some of this here on here so that I can get this here catfish all seasoned up so that we can get it all fried up here. And that's what I'm doing. So you see, it's going to take a little time. Just want to put a good coating on there. And this is going to, well, from talking to one of the cashiers at Walmart told me that she had tried that catfish and she said it was delicious. So I said, well, okay, it's my first time. So, I was getting a bag of it. So I said, well, hey, um, I hope it's good as she say. So we're going to try it out. So as soon as I finish getting all of this good season mix on it and, just get it, get that soaked in there so we can have some good old fish here. So that's what you see me here doing, trying to get it all coated up. So, piece by piece, uh, soon we'll get them all with some of that good season mix on it, and we'll get them in the fryer here. So, I think I almost got it. Almost got all of them. So, that's just taking a little time. So, so I want to make sure we get all of that on there real good. Oh yeah, and that's what's about, guys. Just getting in the kitchen and working, putting some work in on preparing a good meal to have at home. And it's more, I mean, you really enjoy that when you get in the kitchen and just put some work in and fixing up a good meal for yourself or for your family and all to share. Like I'm gonna share this with my wife. She the one who wanted it. That's why I come. She the one, well, wanted that fish. So I'm like, okay. And I think that's kind of why uh, she had taken it out. And I was like, okay, because I'd been out working. So I said, well, okay. So I get home and she had the fish out. And I was like, okay, yeah, well, I'll fix some of this fish here for her. And that's what you see me doing, getting some of all this fish all prepared to put into the deep fryer here. Yeah. So just give me a minute, guys. We got to go through this little preparation here so that we can get everything all cooked up and all. And we will have some good fish. Oh, yeah. Hmm. All right. So now we're ready to put it into the basket. And, we don't want to crowd the basket, so we just want to, space it out. Put it in there and so that it'll, fry real good. So Put it in there. I'm gonna put enough in there, but that's like that right there. That's enough. So now we're gonna take it and move it over and get it over into the fryer. So there we go. There's the fryer. Got the grease, the oil rather. We got it good and hot. So now we're gonna drop it down in there. And you see it. There it goes right there. All right. Oh boy. So now we're gonna let it sit in there for a few minutes. Normally like about, probably about 10 to 15 minutes. Normally we'll fry those all the way through and it'll be real good. So we'll get at a few minutes there and let it sit. Okay. So you see it's doing it. It's doing its thing. It's frying them up. Oh yeah, look at that. It's looking good. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. Good looking fish. Put the top on it. Okay. So like I said, we're gonna let it sit there a few minutes. Then we're gonna come back to it. Okay, now we're back. All right, look at that. Voila. Look at that fish. Look at that. That looks good. That looks good. Looks real good. All right, guys. So we just want to let the oil drain out of the pan there from the fish. Then we're gonna put that to the side, and we're gonna get some more ready to put into the fryer. Whoa, hey guys, we also have some French fries there. So, yep, frying that up. Look at that. Good old fries. Look at that. Okay. Got the fries done. Now I always like to have some French fries and catfish and hush puppies. And sometimes I have like some coleslaw and all with it. And it just tastes good to me, I like that. The fries, I always like just having some French fries with my fish. So that's what you see. I prepared some more French fries. I got some broccoli there. I like to have some broccoli. So I had steamed some broccoli to have with it too. Okay, so I'm gonna put a good meal here together. We're gonna get a plate here together, and I'll share that a little bit with you what I'm eating here. Okay, guys, I also wanted to give you a display. This is all the finished product with all the fish that was cooked and the fries and everything there. So I have the fish, hush puppies, French fries, and well, I was showing y'all already the broccoli. Yeah. Okay, guys, I made it to that point where I can have another meal here again. We're having some catfish here. This here is farm fed catfish, and I got this at Walmart, and we were looking, and I said, well, let's try it. So this is my first time trying this here catfish. I got it at Walmart, so I'm gonna see how it tastes here. I fried it up, and I put some of that seasoning mix I had, big old container of that. So we're gonna try it out. Now what you see here, we got the catfish, I got some hush puppies, and I have some broccoli here, and with the carrots, and I have some French fries here. So that's what my meal is gonna be for tonight. So let's see. Broccoli, love that broccoli. Let's try some of this catfish though. See right here? Look at that. I have some tartar sauce right here. Yeah, let's see.
God. This is good. I must say. Farm-fed catfish. Oh man, nothing like it. I like that. This is very tasty. Man, wow. I'm gonna have to pick up another bag of this if they have some. Man, I like this catfish here. This, nothing like, you know, on the farm. You know what you're getting if they raise it on the farm. I must say, guys, if y'all are out and you go shopping, look over there on Walmart and see if they have some more of that catfish, that farm-fed. I think at the beginning of the video I was trying to show you that bag what I purchased there. I got it at Walmart, and I tell you, I really like this. Oh man. Now I have some catfish just about every week. You know, my wife surprised me. She had that bag out, and I was like, "What's this?" And she said catfish. So I know what that meant. She wanted some catfish. So y'all know what I had to do. Fix some catfish. So we basically have some every week, catfish. Let me try some of these fries here too. What's up? Yeah, guys. So y'all know. Y'all know what to do. Y'all, like I said, try some of that. And you know, I had to have some of this broccoli with it. Oh man, it tastes good with this broccoli. Broccoli. Carrot. Yeah. So yeah. I'm sitting up here just eating this what it is. I went out and I did some work today. So when I got home, like I say, wife had that catfish thawed out. So I just wanted to share this a little bit with you. So y'all know how it is. She's, you know, a happy life, happy wife. So you know, I'm happy. Wife happy too. She getting some catfish. Y'all know what you got to do sometime. Hey. But when she bite into this, I'll probably get a kiss. That's how good it is. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I gotta go now. And stay tuned in. We're gonna do some more cooking here. I told you in 2025 we're gonna do some cooking here. So we got a whole year to do it. We're finna go into February. We're gonna do some more cooking in February, and next month we're gonna try to keep it going. But you gotta stay tuned in for it. All right, I'm out of here for now. Bye.